How do I look? Storm versus Tesla. Okay, so basically a Tesla on this storm is driving even better than a regular car. You know, I mean, don't get me wrong. If you don't have winter tire, you're gonna have some issues. You know, like I'm driving right now between 8 miles an hour and 18 miles an hour, so you know I'm going slow. I don't wanna get into an accident or anything like that. So basically, people were asking me if by the time I get out of work, if I will have any charge on my car, and I tell them yes. My car doesn't use AA batteries. People believe that, so.